Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I will give you demonstrations of different types of operations performed on set. First operation is union of set. Union of set A and B, it is denoted by A union B. Set A union set B is the set of elements that are present in set A or set B. While performing union of set operations, you have to consider those elements that are present either in set A or in set B. In set boulder notation form, you can mention that A union B equal to X such that X either it is belongs to set A or X belongs to B. Consider the example if there is a set A having elements 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. These are the elements that are present in set A. Set B equal to 13, 25, 26 and 18. Now I will perform A union B operation on set A and set B. Here in A union B set will contain elements from set A and set B. In the union operation of set, here I will need to merge, that is combine, elements that are present in both set. Here both sets element will appear in this operation. Therefore A union B set will contain elements from A and from B. So first I will consider all the elements that are present in set A, that are 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Now I will focus on set B. Here in set B 13 element is present, which I have already mentioned here. Because 13 is the common element, it means this element is present in set A as well as in set B. Both sets, that is set A and set B, have common element and it is 13. Since I have already mentioned 13 in this union operation, I will not repeat this element in this set. Next element is 25, 26 and 18. Here I will mention 25, 26 and 80. So this is set A union set B. Here important note need to consider. Important note is common elements. Common elements means those elements that are present in both set A and set B. Common elements occur only once. Occurrence of common elements are only once. Now I will depict Venn diagram of union operation. First, I will mention two circles that represent set A and set B. This is Venn diagram of set A union set B. This is set A. This is set B. Common element present in both set is 13. 13 is present in set A and it is also present in set B. This is the common area of set A and set B, and here I have mentioned 13 element. This portion is the common part of set A and set B. Now I will have to mention the other elements that are present in set A, and these are 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. 10, 11, next element is 12, 13 I have already included in common portion of set A and set B. Then next element is 14 and at last 15 is present in set A. 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, these are elements in present set A. 13 is the common element of set A and set B. Now in the set B, I need to mention elements that are present in set B. These are 13 that I have already included in set A and set B's common area. Now next element here I have to mention 25, 26 and at last 80. I will color all the portions of set A and set B. This is Venn diagram of set A union set B. This is common portion which will include common elements present in both sets. These are the elements present in set A and these are the elements present in set B. In union operation of set A and B, while representing through Venn diagram, you need to color all the portions of set A and set B. Next operation is intersection of set. Intersection of set A and B, it is denoted by A intersection B, is the set of elements that are present in both set A and set B. Intersection operation of set will include only those elements that are present in both set A and set B. It means common elements we have to consider from both sets. In set builder notation form, it is denoted as A intersection B equal to X, such that X belongs to set A and X belongs to set B. For example, consider set A having elements that are A, E, I, O, U, G. Set B having elements that are T, Y, A, E, I, N, P. Set A contains the element that are A, E, I, O, U and G. Set B contains the element that are T, Y, A, E, I, N and P. A intersection B will contain common elements of both sets. Those elements that are present in both sets, that is set A and set B, will have to include in this A intersection B operation. Now, what are the common elements present in both sets? A, E and I is present in set A as well as present in set B. Here I will mention A, E and I. If you consider one by one element that are present in set A is also present in set A and it is also present in set B. Next element is E, it is also present in set A, in set B. I, it is also present in set A and in set B. O is only present in set A, it is not present in set B. U and G is only present in set A and not in set B. Now we will focus on set B's element. T is only present in set B and not in set A. Y is also only present in set B and not in set A. N and P only present in set B and not in set A. Therefore, A intersection B will include only common elements that are A, E and I. These are the common elements present in set A and set B. I will represent intersection operation of set A and set B in Venn diagram. Here I will draw Venn diagram of set A intersection set B. First, I will include common elements from both sets. What are the common elements that are present in both sets? These are A, E and I. Thus, I will include here A, E, I. In next step, I need to include or add those elements that are present in set A. Apart from A, E and I, in set A, O, U, G, these elements are present. Therefore, I will mention here O, U and G. Now consider the elements that are present in set B. Apart from A, E and I common elements, other elements that are present in set B are T, Y, N, P. Here in set B, I will specify the set B's elements, and that are T, Y, N, P. In intersection operation, you need to color only common area of set A and set B. This is the Venn diagram of A intersection B, and only common portion of both sets are colored. Next operation of set is set difference. It is also known as relative complement. Set difference of set A and B, it is denoted as A set difference B. This minus sign is represented as set difference. It's the set of elements that are present in only set A and not in B. Set difference of set B and A it is denoted as B set difference A is the set of elements that are present in set B and not in A. Consider the example. Set A contains elements that are 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Set B equal to 15, 16, 17 and 18. If I want to perform set difference of set A and set B, then this operation will include only those elements that are present in set A and not in set B. In set A, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15, these are the elements are present. However, 15 elements are present in set A as well as in set B. In this manner, 15 is considered as common element because it is present in set A as well as in set B. Remember students, you have to skip or remove common element from set difference operation. Hence, in this case, we will not consider 15 element. Now, this operation will contain only those elements that are present in set A. So, apart from 15, elements that are present in set A are 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Therefore, this operation will include 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. This is set difference of set A and set B. Set difference of set B and set A will contain only those elements that are present in set B and not in set A. Again, in set difference, we have to skip or remove common elements. If we consider the elements that are present in set B, 15, this element is common in set A and set B. But apart from 15, other elements that are present in set B are 16, 17 and 18. Thus, set difference of set B and A contains the elements that are 16, 17 and 18. Now I will draw the Venn diagram of set A and set B. Venn diagram of set difference of set A and set B. In set A, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. in set A 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. These elements are present. 15 element is common in set A and set B. Here in set A I will include 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. In common portion of set A and set B I will include 15 element. 15 is the common element of set A and set B. In set B I will include elements that are present in set B apart from 15. These are 16, 17 and 18. 16, 17 and 18. This is Venn diagram of set A, set difference, set B, and only portion of set A will be colored. This is the portion of set A, and this part of set A will be colored. This is the common part that we have to skip. Now if we want to draw the Venn diagram of set A and set B, here instead of set A difference set B, we will draw the Venn diagram of set difference set B and set A. Venn diagram of set B set difference set A. Now in this case only set B's portion will be colored. This is Venn diagram of set difference B and A. Next set operation is symmetric difference. Symmetric difference of set A and set B, it is denoted as set A symmetric difference set B. It is also considered as ring sum operation. It's the set of elements that are present in set A or set B. Here we have to skip or remove common elements. In other words, symmetric difference of A, B is represented as set difference of set A and set B union set difference of set B and set A. Consider set A contains element that are 2, 4, 6, 7 and 8. Set B contain element that are 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 9, 11. Set A symmetric difference set B will contain those elements that are present in set A or set B, but here we have to skip common elements that are present in both sets. 2 is present only in set A, likewise 4 is also present only in set A. 6 is present in set A and set B. 7 is also present in set A and it is also present in set B. 8 is only present in set A. If you consider the elements that are present in set B, then 1, 3, 5, these elements are only present in set B. Likewise 9 and 11 are also present only in set B and not in set A. Common elements that are present in both sets, that is set A and set B, are 6 and 7. So in this operation we have to skip or remove 6 and 7. Apart from 6 and 7, all elements that are present in either set A or set B will be included in this symmetric difference operation. These elements are 2, 4, 8, 1, 3, 5, 9 and 11. This operation you can also perform by this manner. First, you have to perform set difference of set A and B. So if we perform set difference of set A and set B, elements will contain those are present in set A. Again we have to skip common elements. 6 and 7 are the common elements, and apart from 6 and 7, elements that are present only in set A are 2, 4 and 8. Here in set difference of set A and B will include 2, 4 and 8. Again, if we perform set difference of set B and set A, this operation will include only those elements that are present in set B. Six and 7, these are common elements. We will skip this element. Apart from 6 and 7, elements that are present in set B are 1, 3, 5, 9 and 11. 1, 3, 5, 9 and 11. This is the operation of set difference B and A, and if we perform union operation of both set difference A and B and A, we will get the same result. Now I will draw Venn diagram of symmetric difference of set A and set B. I will label this diagram as symmetric Venn diagram of set A symmetric difference set B. This is set A and this is set B. Now we need to include 2, 4, 8 these elements in set A. Elements that are present in set A are 2, 4 and 8. 6 and 7 are the common element that are present in set A as well as in set B. This is the common portion of set A and set B, and I will include 7 and 8 elements in this common portion. Elements apart from 6 and 7 presents in set B are 1, 3, 5, 9 and 11. Here in set B I will have to include 1, 3, 5, 9 and 11, and I will have to color the portion of set A and set B. Here I will not color the common portion because we have to remove or skip common elements that are present in both sets. This is Venn diagram of symmetric difference set A and set B. Next set operation is complement of set. Complement of set A, it is denoted as A dash. This is A's complement. Is the set of elements that are present in universal set but not in set A. In complement of a set A's operation, we have to include only those elements that are present in universal set but not in set A. Here we have to consider universal set as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. These are the elements present in universal set. Now consider set A. Set A contains element 2, 4, 8 and 10. Now if we want to perform set A's complement operation, then this set will contain only those elements that are present in universal set but not present in set A. In universal set 1 is present and it is not present in set A. So this element we have to include in A's complement. 2 is present in universal set as well as in set A. 3 is only present in universal set and it is not present in set A. Again 3 also we need to include in A's complement. 4 is present in universal set as well as it is also present in set A. 5 is only present in universal set and it is not present in set A. Thus 5 is also included in A's complement. 6 is only present in universal set and not in A. Therefore 6 will be included in A's complement. 7 only present in universal set and it is not present in set A. I will include 7 in A's complement. 8 is present in universal set as well as in set A. Therefore 8 element is not part of A's complement. 9 is present in universal set but it is not present in set A. Therefore I will include 9 as an element in A's complement. 10 element is present in both sets, universal set and set A. Therefore 10 will not be the part of A's complement operation. This is the A's complement and elements that are present are 1, 3, 5, 6, 7 and 9. A's complement have included only those elements that are present in universal set but not present in set A. Now I will draw the Venn diagram of A's complement. This is Venn diagram of A's complement. This is set A. This is universal set. Elements that are present in universal set are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Elements that are present in set A are 2, 4, 8, 10. Here I need to include 2, 4, 8 and 10. And I will have to remove 2, 4, 8, 10 from this A's complement. I will remove 2, 4, 8 and 10. And this time I will color this portion of universal set. So element that are present in A's complement are 1, 3, 5, 6, 7 and 9. It will not include 2, 4, 8, 10 of set A. This is Venn diagram of A's complement. Next set operation is Cartesian product. Consider set A contains elements that are A, B and C. Set B contains elements that are 1, 2 and 3. Cartesian product of set is represented as A Cartesian product B. In this Cartesian operation, we have to multiply each and every element of set A with set B's elements. If we consider the element that is present in set A, that is A, we have to multiply A with each and every element that are present in set B. Now here this operation include A and 1, A from set A and 1 from set B, again A and 2, A from set A and 2 from set B, A and 3, A from set A and 3 from set B. Now we need to multiply B element of set A with each and every element of set B. Here next elements of Cartesian product of A and B are B from set A and 1 from set B, again B from set A and 2 from set B. Next element is B from set A and 3 from set B. Now we will have to multiply C element of set A with all elements that are present in set B. C from set A, 1 from set B, C from set A, 2 from set B, C from set A and 3 from set B. This is Cartesian product of A and B. These are all operations we can perform on set. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. If you have a query regarding all these operations, then you can comment your query. I will try to answer each and every query. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. If you really like this video, then share this video with maximum number of students so that maximum number of students will understand different operations of set. It is humble request you to all, please subscribe my YouTube channel.